Hello, it's me. I know I uploaded another video, but actually it was 40 views on my second video, I think. But here's my cat. You say hi. Say hi. I'm gonna show you guys something cool. She's gonna play with me. Hey, hello. There you go. And it's late up at night, so yeah, this was a short video, but there's just showing you my cat. She's so cute. She's like a brown and whitish thing. You're so cute, yes you are. And then I think you could receive a reflection. And then, look, I'm gonna put her grass right here. Here she eats this grass, kitty. Yep, she's gone beyond the camera. Oh, she's right in front of the camera. Kitty, no. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, I don't know who those 40 people are, but man, 40 people is a lot, and I only have like 9, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Please correct me on that, but I thank you guys for those who subscribe to me, and it's really, yeah. I think I've grown a mustache. I don't know. It's really nothing big, but really, cute. Yeah, my cat's chubby. So I'm gonna end this video off. So, Dead Barrows signing off. Peace. Can you say bye? Okay, bye-bye.